Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey guys, and I had so much fun here yesterday with my 3-inch that I decided to come back and the playground needed to be whooped. So that's what I'm doing here today. I am playing with my whoop at the playground. There's a really cool train over here. And a couple people are checking out, and they're going to be coming to our drone race tomorrow. So that's kind of cool. So I got to share the FPV with people. So they were really cool and really impressed. So I hope you enjoy the brushless tiny whoop footage.
Wheeling and rolling, flying around. We're gonna take this tiny whoop all over town. Life's so much better when you ain't down. So get on up with this tiny whoop and rock it to this sound. Life's so much better when you ain't down. So get on up with this tiny whoop and rock it to the sound. Wheeling and rolling, flying around. We're gonna take this tiny whoop all over town. Life's so much better when you ain't down. So get on up with this tiny whoop and rock it to the sound. Wheeling and rolling, flying around. We're gonna take this tiny whoop all over town. Life's so much better when you ain't down. So get on up with this tiny whoop and rock it to the sound. Wheeling and rolling, flying around. We're gonna take this tiny whoop all over town. Life's so much better when you ain't down. So get on up with this tiny whoop and rock it to the sound. Wheeling and rolling, flying around. We're gonna take this tiny whoop all over town. Life's so much better when you ain't down. So get on up with this tiny whoop and rock it to the sound.